Weifang Runshine Machinery Company, Limited, is a medium-sized private enterprise. The factory was built in 1989, and the company was established in 1999. Towable backhoe is one of our main products. It is attached 22 horsepower Yanmar diesel engine electric start. A multifunctional, self-contained towable backhoe apparatus adapted for direct over-the-road trailering by a towing vehicle. How to start the machine: take up the left hand's button, then right hand turn the start key clockwise. After 2 seconds, down the left hand button, machine start. Attached 4 hydraulic legs support it to perfect work. 4 wheels can be moved forward and back under the arm's help, also body can be turned left and right if job need. This backhoe is ideal for all kinds of average to hard jobs.